Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and innovations. Today, we're diving into the future of internet connectivity with the Starlink Internet Kit mobile satellite internet for RVs. Let's get started. Now, if you're tired of slow internet speeds while on the road or at your remote getaway spot, the Starlink Internet Kit might just be the solution you've been looking for. This cutting-edge kit promises high-speed, reliable connectivity no matter where you are. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The standard kit includes your Starlink antenna, router, base, and power supply cables. Everything you need to set up and start enjoying lightning-fast internet on the go. Now, the star of the show here is undoubtedly the Starlink antenna. It's sleek, compact, and designed to be weather-resistant, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh conditions. Next up, we have the router. With 2 USB ports and Wi-Fi connectivity, it's designed to provide seamless internet access to all your smart devices, whether you're indoors or outdoors. But what sets the Starlink Internet Kit apart is its connectivity. It works anywhere with a clear view of the sky, making it perfect for RVs, campsites, or remote cabins. Plus, with 2 service plans available, residential and roam, you can choose the option that best fits your needs. Setting up the Starlink Internet Kit is a breeze. Simply activate your antenna or create an account on the Starlink website using your unique kit number. Then, follow the step-by-step instructions to get connected in no time. Overall, the Starlink Internet Kit mobile satellite internet for RVs offers a promising solution for those seeking fast and reliable internet access on the go. With its easy setup process, weather-resistant design, and flexible service plans, it's definitely worth considering for your next adventure. That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, happy browsing.